Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Okay, it's time to start greeting people. Are you ready, kids?
Dumela.
Okay.
Oh, look, it's Osi.
Dumela. Okay.
Greeting. When okay.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When we use okai to greet people, it means how are you? And when we answer by saying getting, it means I am fine. You see how easy it is? Now let's see how Abuti and Osi use these phrases.
Dumela.
Okay.
Good day.
Okay, Katze.
Oops, that cat doesn't seem very happy.
Dumela. Okay.
Getting.
And now you can greet people in Setswana. Bye Abuti, goodbye Osi, see you next time.
Bye.